In this session, we will work on how to edit the headings, how to edit the heading, how to remove the headings, how to add the paragraphs and section, all the things we will discuss. So I would like to edit the home page, so we'll have to go to home page option. In the manage options, click on home page. So home page is selected here. So once you selected the home page, so we'll go to heading option. So this is a Wix website, so this is the text. So if you want to change this text, you can just double click on it. So you can see we can change the this particular text. So I will change it to Wix. So I'll make it caps on Wix classes. So you can click outside. So that has been changed. So we can just select this particular box. You can even click on edit text. So click on edit text, so it will give you the heading option here. In the pop-up we can see themes. That's a saved theme heading 5, which is created by ADI. We can now change it. Click on this drop down button. So I would like to add the heading 1, heading 2, heading 1 or heading 2. We can see this heading 1 is very big in size, so I will choose heading 2. It is still the bigger in size, and heading 3, this is fine. So you can see here we can edit the part. Yes, of course that columns were getting changed because that was earlier it was created by ADI. It will create on a perfect note. So these are the options that we can edit these things. So we'll go to heading 5, and this is what the actual heading which is created by the Wix ADI. So this is about text editing here. Just have to click on the text editing and get the text ideas. Also you can use here, get the text ideas. Click on this and you can click on the search. We can type the site of this and you can search and we'll get the text ideas related to your websites. And here we have animations. You can click on animations. So there are so many animations we have. I'll just drag my mouse pointer on the first animation. You can see how it looks like. I will select this one, and we will see how it looks like after saving. In the preview option, we will look how it appears in the preview button. So I'll click on the preview. So as soon as website opens, so this comes very slowly. So that animation has already updated, and it is not a repeating animation, it's just one time animation. So click on this text and click on this animation. So here you can customize the animation. So it was just 1.2 seconds. I'll increase it to 4 seconds and with no delay, and we will save it and click on the preview button. So we can see the preview option here. So once you click on the preview, so slowly it will come. For 4 seconds it will be animated continuously for 4 seconds. So we can control, but that control has got few conditions or restrictions. So more than 4 seconds we cannot do it here. So click on this, select the animation, click on the customize. So 4 seconds, not more than 4, but you can double click here. So you can go with even 6 seconds, 7 seconds. So 6 seconds, if I add double click and add, it will more than 4 seconds, it will not allow. So these are the delay seconds. You can choose the delay seconds. So direction is top from the top left. So you can even change from the top right or top center, or top from the bottom right and bottom center. These are the directions. So I'll select the bottom right and we'll see how it works in the preview mode. So I'll click on, so don't show this box again, so it will not show every time this website. So I'll click on done. So click on preview. So you can see it is coming from the bottom left to upside. So the design we have seen. I'll just refresh the page, and we can just concentrate on this particular header. Click on the refresh. Now we can see. Sorry, this is not a publisher mode, it is a preview mode. So it will go to editing options. So any website which is created by ADA can be edited. So edit it and you put your own ideas into the design and bring it alive, and that will be published publicly. People will see that particular design, animation, and your website. Wix has got a very good platform, so it gives free of cost. So if you want to publish your website using the customized website, customized domain only, it will allow you to charge. Otherwise, there's design, and you can publish this one here using the publish button. So it will be online with the website address given by the Wix. So other editing here, so click on this. We have a help option. You can click and you can get the help option. So this is about clicks here. This is about editing the text and getting the animation of the text. Now we will see how to add one more like this, one more. For example, here we have got some space. Okay, so here we have got some space here. I want to add some text in this area, so we need to add the text box here. So to add the text box, we can click on the add element option. So click on add element. So click on add element. So we have a n number of options here. So I will like to click on text button. So click on the text. In the text we have a headings, we have a titles, we have a paragraph. Three options we have. These are the themed text, these are the titles, and these are the paragraphs. So we can choose whichever you want. So I would like to choose the titles here. So I will click on caps titles. These are the different types of caps. Different types of texts here. So you can see a text box here. So I will just drag it using my mouse, and I will keep it here. So always remember, your design must be fall between this framed area. That area only appears on your website, on your computer screen. So this particular area will not be seen on the computer screen, this area. So we avoid designing outside this area. So this dotted line we can see. So inside that only we would like to design the website. So I'll just move these options. I'm just editing the existing website, so I'll keep it somewhere here. Or if you want, you can even delete also. So I will drag it so that website, this paragraph option will be increased, so I can reduce the size of the paragraph. So we'll bring it here. So I have got the cap title here, the caps title. So I'll reduce, I can bring it here. So double click on it, or you can select or click on edit text. So we will add that text here. Know about, just write one of the title. So this is the title. I'll keep it this way, and again I'll go to add element. In the add element, I would like to choose a paragraph here. So I would like to choose this caps bold letter paragraph. So this paragraph, any paragraph you can choose it of your choice. So I would like to choose the first one here. So click on the first one. You can see a small paragraph here. So I'll bring that paragraph somewhere here, and we can drag this paragraph to make its size bigger. So I'll drag it down. So right side or left side we can drag it. So and we can add the content for this particular paragraph. So I'll just copy and paste it, so that I don't want to write anything here. So if you want, you can write your content here. So now this has become your text title, and this is the text content. So we'll save it and click on the preview button, and we will see how our website looks like now. So click on the preview. So this is how our website looks like. So you can see, so this is the sliding page, and here we know. So for spelling mistake it was, so just written here know about me. So just know about me, and we have got some content. So these are the ways we can edit. So we'll go click on the back to editor option. So any element if you want, you can add it. If you want, you can remove it. So if you don't want this, so I'll just have to delete it. That's all. So that particular option will be deleted. So I'll bring it back by pressing Ctrl Z. So select the particular text box and you can delete it. So select the particular text box, you can delete it, otherwise this entire thing will be deleted. So in the next class I'll just save this here. So we'll see in the preview how it looks like in preview. See, this is the blank area. We do not have any content here, but what we have the new content here. So yes, we can edit the ADI created website. So in the next class we will see how these buttons created. Whenever we click, it will jump to the contact location or contact page. So we'll see how those buttons are added and the page links were given.